Imagine the monumental task of fueling an entire invasion force across the English Channel during World War II, knowing that traditional tankers would be vulnerable and slow. How could the Allies ensure a continuous, secure supply of millions of gallons of fuel to power tanks, trucks, and aircraft on the beaches of Normandy? The solution was Operation PLUTO, an acronym for Pipeline Under the Ocean. This was an astonishing engineering feat that involved laying vast lengths of undersea pipeline across the English Channel to deliver vital petroleum products directly from England to the Allied forces in France after D-Day. The genius behind PLUTO lay in its innovative design and rapid deployment. Instead of conventional rigid pipelines, two main types were developed. The first was called Hayes, named after its inventor, Bernard J. Ellis and Siemens Brothers, who designed it. It resembled a flexible submarine telephone cable butt with a larger internal diameter and no internal conductors, allowing it to carry fuel. The second was Hamel, developed by the Iraq Petroleum Company. This was a much stronger steel pipe that could be coiled onto massive floating drums resembling gigantic cotton reels, known as conundrums. These conundrums were then towed across the channel, unspooling the pipe as they went. The high pressure generated by pumping stations on the English coast pushed the fuel through these pipes, overcoming the natural resistance and elevation changes. Deployment was a race against time and the elements. After the initial D-Day landings, as beachheads were secured, specialized vessels and converted ships, often disguised to confuse German reconnaissance, quickly began laying the pipelines. Teams on both sides of the channel worked tirelessly to connect the pipelines to pumping stations. On the English side, numerous pumping stations, often hidden in seemingly innocuous buildings, collected fuel from existing British networks and pressurized it for the journey. On the French side, receiving stations distributed the fuel to forward depots, effectively creating a direct fuel line from Britain's vast reserves straight to the front lines. One remarkable detail is that the pipelines were specifically designed for different purposes. Some carried aviation fuel, while others transported motor gasoline, ensuring that every type of vehicle and aircraft had its specific requirements met. In total, around 17 PLUTO pipelines were eventually laid across the channel, stretching over 1,000 miles. This intricate network delivered an incredible 172 million gallons of fuel, a staggering amount that completely bypassed the need for vulnerable surface tankers, which would have been prime targets for enemy attacks. PLUTO was a testament to wartime innovation, demonstrating that with ingenuity and sheer determination, seemingly impossible logistical challenges could be overcome. It was a crucial component of the D-Day supply chain, directly contributing to the rapid advance of Allied forces across France by ensuring an uninterrupted flow of the essential resource that powered the entire war machine.
If history fascinates you, like, subscribe, and explore more with us.